friends. In this video, we will talk about customizing charts in Power BI. So, the name of the topic for this demo will be customizing charts in Power BI. In this demo, we will work and experiment with colors of our data bars in Power BI. To set the stage for this aspect, you should just clean up the aspect of this UI. Till now, in our last visualization, what we have done, you should first clear all that. So, as already I show you, if you are working with us simultaneously, then you can easily understand that how to delete the steps we have done for till now. What you need to do, you just reset to default in particular section where you have performed the operation. So now let's scroll into data colors. In this version of Power BI, I will go with data labels here. I will go with columns, then I will see some color. So you will see in columns there is an option of color, and further you can see there is a toggle control here, show all, which is already closed. Let's pay close attention to this control because it's very powerful. Let's switch this control to on. And as soon as we do so, we see the individual color box appear for each of the bar in our data. Here for California, for New York, for the number of bars you will have here, you can see the number of bars is same as here. So if you spend hours trying to figure out how to individually color bars in visualization in Excel and any other package, well, you will see how easy Power BI makes it. And let's scroll down and change the color of tallest bar, the one that corresponds to California. So tallest bar is the California. Now we are going to change the color. So let's pick a shade which we really want. So I just want to pick a shade of green. More colors, I will go with more colors and I will pick a shade of green. Then you will see the tallest bar which correspond to California has changed its color. Now I will scroll down and will change the color of lowest bar, that is North Dakota, this last one. Now I will select here and I will want to change the color in the color shade. I will want to show the color for red and I will fix a color bar which is red. So no, at that point you can't tell that you have a red color bar for North Dakota by viewing here. So, but that really easy enough to fix. We simply add in a zoom slider this again, and an important and interesting feature in Power BI. If you click to highlight or view a particular portion, then where we will go, we will go to the zoom slider, and after clicking here on zoom slider on, we will just scroll down it further and you will see by scrolling it down further we can see even the lowest bar, which is North Dakota and which is really visible here. So if you like to highlight or view a particular section of your visualization, You simply add in a zoom slider to your visualization and use it to view the data in detail. When we click on the zoom slider on, we see zoom slider appear next to the y-axis. And using zoom slider on the visualization, we are able to see shortest visualization of the North Dakota. And we can confirm that color is indeed color of red. As in a side, please remember that addition to a zoom slider, which is now we can turn off. So now which is turned off, we can also switch to the focus mode. We can do it by clicking on the focus mode top right of the visualization. First thing about zoom slider I want to tell you, when you will click on zoom slider on, then with left select just scroll it down, then it will zoom out. If you scroll will up with left selector, then it will zoom out. So it's your requirement, or you want to show which kind of information, it's up to you. So now coming to the back to the point, there is a focus mode top right of the visualization, and in contrast to the full screen mode, this makes you use of all screen real estate for just one single visualization. So we will go to the focus mode, and when we have used different color, like if I am scrolling it down further, so we click on so you just use of all screen real estate for just one single visualization. Let's add another visit to our report. So we just click on back to report button, and then we will go to three horizontal dots which are on the top right. In right click menu, and what it store for us, we will see just by just go there and clicking on there. So it has the option like show as a table first. By selecting this option, if we select this option also reveal the data in this form of a table down below our bar chart, there is a table down. Please note that this point, this is really important. We are still in focus mode. So focus mode allows you to still interact with your visuals. So you can have two. So you see that our table has two columns, state and table. Let's just hit back to the report, and you just go back to the original report. And here we again click on three horizontal dots. And then this time we will choose some another option. Then see, by clicking here simply we will choose some another option, and we will choose the spotlight option. As we click on spotlight, as the name suggests, this option allows us to only focus on a single element of our data. And how do we choose what that element is? We simply click on the corresponding item. So if we simply click on the corresponding item, as we are selected, what it is doing basically, here we simply clicks on the bar for California, and you can see there is a spotlight for California. All of the other bars are shaded with much lighter bar. Those three dots on the top right also have some interesting option. For instance, we can use back menu in order to show in the way we really want. So we can use the back menu in order to sort our data in ascending or descending manner, or even in some order like alphabetical order. So let's explore those, and first let's eliminate the spotlight. So how we can eliminate? By simply clicking on the other data item. So clicking on one individual data item will transfer the spotlight to the bar. What happened now? We will transfer the spotlight to the C. If I will simply click here, it will transfer the spotlight to the Texas and other bar will be the light. And by simply clicking on anywhere in the chart, it will spotlight will be disappear. So let's return to the more option menu as the top right and let's they choose to the some ascending option. Table short axis. So now I will choose short ascending. It is already short descending. Then I will choose short ascending. Now you will see the bar will make way smallest to largest. Means North Dakota is on the left, extreme left, and California is on the extreme right. Now so far we have been shorting values in the y-axis, but there is no reason why we can't short on the x-axis as well. So we return to the more option value by clicking on these options, and again we choose the short by. There is a short axis, ascending, descending, state and sum of sale. So till now we have done on the sum of sales basis. Now I will go to the state. Then this has to the effect of short the bar in displaying alphabetically order rather than in any sorted order in sales. We can continue to explore this data as before using the focus mode by simply clicking on the focus mode on the top right. And this allows us to examine the smallest value even. So you will see this focus mode will allow us to view the smallest value, that is North Dakota, which is in red color, which is between North Carolina and Ohio state. So let's go back to the report by simply clicking on the button and then use the more option menu again for exploring in order to go back to the sorting by sale. So if we will go back to the short axis by sales, so this is, it will be based sorting upon sales rather than straight. So this is based on the values of y-axis. Once this is accomplished by default, we have sorted in ascending order, but we can change that. We can go back to the short descending by simply clicking here, go to short and short descending. And this takes us back to where we have started. Tallest bar on the California. Over on the extreme left and the shortest bar for the North Dakota is on extreme right. So in this demo, I am ending here and I will come with a new video with new demo for further exploration in Power BI. I hope you got the point of colors, ascending, descending, uh, these three dots and this focus mode. In detail, you can use in your reports where you will really want it. Okay, friends. Till now, in this demo, I am sharing till now. So please like and subscribe.